The Pivotrim Autowinder replacement trimmer head is a durable, universal fit, pivoting line bump trimmer head with auto-winding technology that eliminates the need for opening the head for reloading line. The head is made from carefully crafted glass-filled nylon for superior durability and abrasion resistance. It can withstand the extreme demand of any residential job. With its pivoting line technology, the line bounces back when trimming against obstacles instead of bending and breaking. It can hold up to 23 feet of 0.080-inch line and diameters up to 0.105 inch. With its auto-winding technology, you never have to open the head. Simply line up the arrows on the bump knob, insert the line, and crank. This provides the continuous cutting benefit of a bump head without having to open the head or deal with tangling spools. That means cutting more with less downtime to get the job done faster, leaving you more time to do the things you want.